Data science is a rapidly growing field, and Coursera offers numerous courses to help individuals gain the skills and knowledge needed for success. Here are 5 highly regarded Coursera courses on data science, along with their importance and a brief overview of their content. Data Science Specialization, by Johns Hopkins University. 1. Importance. This specialization covers the entire data science workflow, from data collection and cleaning to machine learning and data visualization. 1. It's a comprehensive program that equips learners with the skills needed to tackle real-world data challenges. 2. Content. The specialization includes courses on R programming, data visualization, statistical inference, regression models, machine learning, and more. Machine Learning, by Stanford University. 1. Importance. This course is taught by Andrew Ng and is highly regarded for its clarity in explaining machine learning concepts and algorithms. 1. It's a foundational course for understanding machine learning principles. 2. Content. The course covers supervised learning, unsupervised learning, neural networks, advice for applying machine learning, and case studies. Applied Data Science with Python, by University of Michigan. 1. Importance. This specialization focuses on applying data science concepts using the Python programming language. 1. It's suitable for learners who want hands-on experience with data analysis and visualization. 2. Content. The specialization includes courses on data visualization, data analysis, text mining, social network analysis, and machine learning using Python libraries. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, by IBM. 1. Importance. This professional certificate program provides a comprehensive understanding of data science tools and techniques. 1. It's designed for individuals looking to develop practical skills in data analysis. 2. Content. The program covers Python programming, data visualization and analysis, machine learning, SQL, and more. 2. Learners work on real-world projects to apply their skills. These courses are well regarded in the data science community and can provide you with a solid foundation in data science concepts, tools, and techniques.